We have with us senior BJP leader Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Sir, Congress now demanding arrest of BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. They say that the FIRs have been filed. Now Narendra Modi should be behind bars.
What I'm surprised about, that because Congress is not getting any support in the campaign, it has reduced itself to being a chronic complainant. Come on. It shows the utter desperation of Congress party. It is utter nonsense to even demand for arrest. Mr. Modi, as per our information, was making a comment to the media beyond the prohibited zone of 100 meters outside the booth. And being an important leader, likely to become the Prime Minister, media is entitled to ask him question. That's what he did. We have the respect for Election Commission. The law will take its course as far as investigation is concerned. But this kind of chronic, complainant, pathological initiative of Congress party, if I can call it, shows they are reconciled. They are losing so badly that they are not getting people's support. Therefore, complaint and complaint. I completely condemn it. I will call it utterly childish.
Sir, you are saying that they are getting frustrated and desperate, but they are backing it with legal terms. You are as legally capable as anyone, sir. Sir, they are giving in or bringing in more. They are saying it is not only 126 but 130 as well, which has been violated by Narendra Modi.
Let them quote all the section of Representation of People Act. My point is very simple. It was outside the polling booth, beyond the prohibited zone of 100 meters. All the media were there asking questions, as they do from any leader, from Mulayam Singh to Rajnath Singh to Mayawati, who come and give reactions after casting their vote. Therefore, because Congress party is getting nothing, we are focused on development, on governance, on good governance. They have nothing to reply. Therefore, all these pin-pricking, and that too in a childish manner.
Sir, showing the lotus was also not wrong, just going legally?
It was beyond the prohibited zone or not? I'm asking that simple question. It was beyond the prohibited zone as per our information. The rest is a matter of investigation. But apart from that, I also saw some great Congress leaders demanding that Modi's candidature also should be annulled in the contest. Therefore, I called it laughable and childish. I regret to say the great party, which has ruled India for 10 years, has reduced itself to being a chronic complainant because not finding any takers with the public.
Laughable or childish, but Ravi Shankar Prasad making it clear that it is sheer frustration on part of the Congress that they are demanding now that Narendra Modi should be arrested.